Hello guys, welcome back for another video of how to reset my car. Today I'm going to show how you can reset the surface indicator, flashing surface indicator of a Citroen Nemo. It's very annoying when you start the car, it keeps on flashing. And I found a way to get rid of that, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. The problem was when we turned the ignition on, this indicator over here started flashing and didn't go away even while we are driving. And I'm going to show you how I got rid of that. Okay. First of all, the first step is turn the ignition on. Then depress the accelerator pedal all the way and press the brake pedal while depressing the accelerator pedal 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you have done that, let go the brake pedal and keep the accelerator pedal depressed for about 60 seconds. I did it before, so I'm not gonna wait for 60 seconds. And once you have done that, let go the accelerator pedal, turn off the ignition and wait another 60 seconds. We're also not gonna wait the 60 seconds because I did it before. And after the 60 seconds, just start the car. And if it is worked, the flashing indicator over here, oil indicator, must have been disappeared. So once again, very quickly, turn off the ignition, turn the ignition on, depress the accelerator pedal, keep depressing that, and while you press the accelerator pedal 7 times the brake pedal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let go the brake pedal, depress the accelerator pedal for about 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, let go, turn off the ignition, wait for another 60 seconds, and after the 60 seconds, turn the ignition on and start the car. And the annoying oil flashing indicator must have been disappeared. I hope this worked for you. Didn't it work for you? Just let me know in the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as I have the time for it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.